So I scored another Commodore 64 from eBay. Let's have a look at it. Apparently it doesn't start up properly. I think it said it took a long time to start up. So might be a problem with the reset circuit on it, but he said it did work. So looks in pretty... Oh, actually... Oh, there it is. So actually, it doesn't look like it's in too bad condition at all. I thought it was going to be much worse than this. It looks a little bit dirty, and there's like a sticker up there and stuff like that. There's some scum on the keys, a little bit of scum. Actually, that looks all right. Quite impressed. I wonder if it's actually in good condition. Might be a bit of blood there on one of the keys. Who knows? So that looks okay. I can see it's actually got the motherboard inside. That's a good start. That's pretty good. Has it got the warranty seal on it? No, it's had the warranty seal broken. So someone's been in here. So maybe we should have a quick look and see if everything that's supposed to be in here is in here. Come on. Ah, there we go. There we go. Right, so what have we got? What's the screw? There we go. And it looks like it's not had any chips robbed out of it or anything, because I know people do that with some of the older Commodore 64s. They like steal chips out of it and things like that. So yeah, it looks quite clean inside. Looks like the SID chip's there. It's got a Nichicon cap in there. That doesn't seem very Commodore, does it? But it doesn't looks like it's all there. So I wonder why it took a long time to start up. And I wonder if that's factory Nichicon. It seems too expensive for Commodore to put in there. They put Elna in the one I had. What have we got in that one? I don't know. Don't know what that brand is. It's got some red stuff on top as well. It looks like, at the very least, it's all intact. So it'd be interesting to see if there's anything wrong with this. Or if it'll work with my backbit cartridge, actually. So eBay score, Commodore 64 C. Here it is on the bench, so let's plug it in and give it a go. Actually, I did notice that this power switch is really actually quite stiff. So I'm just going to put some contact cleaner in it before I turn it on. Maybe I can get this moving, I don't know. Looks like it's got a bit of gunk in there or something. I mean, that might be the reason why it didn't start up very well. Yeah, it doesn't feel very good, that power switch. Right, well, we'll give that a go. Maybe that's enough. Maybe it'll need a cleaning of the power switch. I'll just put the video in. Right, moment of truth, let's see what we get. Make sure that's off. And it's not powering. Is it on? Oh, it is on. I didn't see the screen. Yeah, he's right. It actually does take quite a while to power up. I wonder if one of these caps that's doing the reset circuit has gone bad. That's actually working. Let's just try that again. I wonder if it's going to boot up faster now. 2, 3. It's not really bad. It might have a bad cap on the reset line, so that could be replaced if that's all it is. So I've got the backbit cartridge. This doesn't work on the other Commodore, but maybe it'll work on this one, or maybe it'll have the same fault. So let's see. Well, it's actually a lot better than the other one. Maybe there's something wrong with the socket on my other computer. So let's just turn this on and see what we get. So that went straight to that screen, and don't think the other one did that. Let me plug the keyboard in. Let's prop it there, that's where it's supposed to go. Is the back bit going to work on this particular Commodore 64? And the answer is yes. So that at least gives me a way of actually trying to work out on my other Commodore why it doesn't work. I did notice that this cartridge fits a lot better. Could be that it's just a dodgy cartridge port. Maybe. Oh, I have got speakers plugged in. Yeah, so far this seems to be working. Maybe I'll put it in the diagnostic mode and see what it does. So this will come up with some errors because it's not got the harness plugged in. And it does also say that you haven't got things like the old SID, the 6581, which is the SID from the previous generation. So it says that's bad, but it hasn't got one, so clearly that's okay. If it passes the RAM test and stuff, I'd need a joystick to test the joystick part, but this looks to be working quite well. I don't think it even is actually starting up slowly. I think maybe when these things are actually started up and you haven't actually used them for a while, those caps that do the reset line are actually discharged, and it does actually take a little bit longer to start up. But this seems to be it's working better than my other one, but I've got a reference to actually compare this to now to see if I can get the other one working. So I'll be able to look at the signals on the bus on this one and see if it's got the same weird signals on the bus that I'm getting on the other one. But this appears to be totally working. So I would say, at the moment, that is a success.